Well, tonight we are hearing from the Supreme Court after what it called one of the worst breaches of trust in its 233-year history. You may remember the leak of that draft of the abortion rights decision that overturned Roe v. Wade. Well, that set off an 8-month investigation. Today, the highest court in the land said investigators conducted formal interviews with nearly 100 employees, all of whom denied disclosing the opinion. The report concluded a computer hack was unlikely and that the leak came from inside the court, but they have not determined who did it. Let's bring in CBS's chief legal correspondent, Jan Crawford. All right, Jan, how extensive was this, and were the justices themselves interviewed?
Well, I mean, that is unclear from the report. And Nora, there has been some criticism today that by keeping this investigation internal, run by the Supreme Court's marshal, instead of, say, bringing in the FBI, that the court didn't do enough to get to the bottom of it. But the court says it was thorough. Investigators got text and cell phone data from the employees. They had them sign sworn affidavits. They did forensic analysis of computers and printers, although some of those printer logs weren't available.
So the Supreme Court has some big decisions, cases coming up, immigration, affirmative action. What's to say that this won't happen again?
Well, that's the concern, and the report concludes that the leaker here was able to, quote, act with impunity because there was inadequate security over these documents. So already the court has started strengthening its security and procedures for confidential documents.
Such a big story, Jan Crawford. Thank you so much.